Bobby by this. What are you doing? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try Korean food for the first time, and then these ones are just Korean fanatics. Like, why? Look at all of them. Korean fanatics. Right? Introduce yourself. Hi, Korean fanatics.
안녕하세요. I'm Sally. I'm Tina. Sorry.
They're Korean fanatics. They love Korean food. They love Korean movies. In fact, all the Korean people in their movies, they know all of them. I don't know, like, it's a thing. So I'm gonna be trying Korean food for the first time. Look at all of us going out, and so.
No, we shouldn't, please. No, we're not gonna do this the whole time. No, I'm not gonna just. I'm just gonna make an episode of the time. Yeah. No, but yeah.
So once we get to the restaurant, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be eating, and yeah. So this is my first time at the Korean restaurant, right? And
it's not Korean, we are the Korean people. She just followed us because of food.
I followed them because of food. I like trying new food, so I'm trying to incorporate more food into my channel. So when they said we're going to try Korean food today, I'm like, sign me up, because honey, I love food. I love food.
Don't you see the
and I love trying new things. So now we're gonna try. We're trying to try soju. Is this soju or soji? Soju. So we're gonna try soju now, and let's see how that tastes. I really want to try kimchi. I've been hearing kimchi everywhere. Today is the day. I'm going to try kimchi. Fermented cabbage. That doesn't sound like it will taste nice, but hey, you never know. So yeah, I'm really excited to try all this food today, because Korean culture is popular everywhere. Their food is popular everywhere, but I've never tried anyone before. Don't ask me why, but yeah. Let's see. It's nice. It doesn't have a lot of alcohol.
It does, but it's not just tasty. It's
just like water. That's water.
Why you guys drink?
No, it's actually nice.
This better or this better? You eating the last meat or just the?
Frida, is this the first time?
Drinking soju? No.
Oh. I mixed the peach flavored one and the yogurt flavored one. I'm about to try it. Let me see.
Wait, what you mean?
Tina is not going to burn my head again.
It actually tastes nice. Listen, you can finish it so easy, and you don't even know when you get drunk.
That's why they get drunk in the movie all the time.
Oh.
That's why it's so easy for them.
It's so easy for them to get drunk, because it's so nice, and like you don't even feel the alcohol until you've taken you.
That drink. Come on. Drink.
Drink.
Why are you sipping the alcohol?
I don't know.
It's a shot. You also did one shot.
What is this?
This is dumpling.
Dumpling. Oh, okay.
It's like stuff. Pasta? That's the best I can give you.
Choop choop.
It tastes good, Ajuma.
Yeah, yum. Dumplings, yum.
This is dumplings and
How you feel? What do you think?
not bad.
That smells good.
With the sauce.
I can't see.
I think it's nice.
Sally, you're so beautiful.
Yeah, I'm here to eat. I'm not here to
Now you see
cook.
my beauty, that's to
I must eat today. I've not gone out in a long time. Spicy.
You like it?
Something with okay. I don't know what that is.
You like it?
Spicy.
I would like to now with my ice cream.
Spicy.
Thank you.
Your rice.
Still eating now.
Did she give us some free?
Okay,
Yeah.
over there.
Kimchi.
So, share to everybody.
Kimchi.
Okay. Thank you.
We watch a lot of Korean shows. That's why.
Where's the kimchi?
Why is it all good? We are Korean people now.
Because like that's all. Where's the kimchi?
This is rice water. Rice water, rice water, rice water, rice water.
Everybody
It's sweet.
Africa.
This has been very nice. The food is very tasty actually.
Cool, right?
Yeah, I like it. This was a nice experience. I got to eat Korean food for the first time and it was amazing. Actually, I like the food. They use a lot of sweet wine in their food, which is actually nice. Bunch of things I tried. It was super nice. I liked it. I like kimchi. I liked there's this noodle. I don't know what this is called, but it's super sweet and it's very nice. And then we had this, and then you see, I finished my rice because I'm a rice girl. I love rice. And we made our meat here, and then that is simple pancake and a bunch of other stuff. So look at, everybody's full. Every human being here is full. So yeah, that was it. I enjoyed Korean food for the first time and it's super nice. I liked it. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Deuces, have a good day ahead, a blessed one, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.